Hello. Would you expect relatively unused phone, actually a phone that has been in storage for quite a while, to have a bulging battery? Neither did I. However, let's look upon what happened. As you can see, this Galaxy A7 2017, which is not necessarily particularly new model, but anyway, it's not old by any stretch of the imagination either, in some terms, has developed this slight bulging that you can see, which actually made the backside of the phone to lift, as you can probably guess. Keep in mind, this phone has never been used much more than being turned on once and then it was left in storage. I have never ever seen such a phone to have a problem. However, this has clearly happened. However, because it has happened, let me show you by taking out the backside how extensive the impact was. Well, as you can probably guess from over here, the bulging is massive. Well, I have to say that this phone is quite as original to the manufacturing specification as possible. So this was clearly a defect that happened, which resulted in the phone having this very unfortunate outcome. I will not risk by turning on the phone because clearly in the current state I think it's better to try and see a replacement battery than trying to work with it as is. I think that it's already dangerous enough that you have a bulging battery. You shouldn't be making any serious attempt at charging it or turning on the device, because I think this has already brought enough problems. However, just in case you wonder what interesting data is placed on the battery, I will show it to you, as you can already see. So I think that now the best course of action is just to search a replacement battery. I'm not entirely sure if I will find a replacement battery that is up to the specifications or not, but clearly something has to be done, because this phone, as far as I can tell, worked perfectly, and I assume that it will work again perfectly when a new battery is being used. So yes, keep in mind that this can happen no matter what you may expect, and ultimately even phones that are more or less sealed or manufacturer sealed can still develop these problems, despite the very good quality control I have seen on Samsung phones. So you should be aware that this can happen. I don't have anything much to say. I hope this video was interesting. I'm quite certain that a solution can be found. However, I do not have one for the moment. So I hope this will be useful to you. So thank you very much for watching.